In this video, I am going to show you how to change your username on WordPress. To update your account's username, take the following steps. Visit your profile by clicking on your avatar in the top right corner of WordPress.com. On the left side, click on Account Settings. In the box labeled Username, type the new username you wish to use for your account. A box labeled Confirm Username will appear below. Type your new username again and confirm the correct spelling. The next step will ask you if you would like to create a matching blog address. Selecting Yes, Create a new blog to match your username will create a new site for you. Selecting No will just change your username and make no changes to your site's address. After that, click Save Username button to save your changes and update your username. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.